Burping your baby. Specifically, advantage of burping after feeding and how to burp a baby. An important part of feeding a baby is burping. Burping helps to get rid of some of the air that babies tend to swallow during feeding. Not being burped often and swallowing too much air can make a baby spit up, uncomfortable, or gassy. Babies need to be burped until they can do it on their own, which is typically around 7 to 9 months when they start to sit by themselves and crawl. And at that time, they move up and down and they burp by themselves. When we see some of the advantage of burping a baby after feeding, the first one is it keeps his or her system healthy. The air that your baby takes in during every feed can interfere with your little one's digestion. This makes him feel uneasy and set up stage for more problems inside the stomach. So pick up your baby and burp well to help your little one's system be free of excess gas. This will help to aid digestion in your baby and keep stomach troubles at baby. So on the image you see how to burp a baby. The second advantage of burping a baby after feeding is it reduces chance of colic. One of the main reasons for babies to suffer from colic and unbearable stomach ache is due to the presence of excessive air trapped inside the abdomen, sucked in during a feeding session. This is one of the main reasons from colic, but colic has different causes in addition to excess gas. A baby suffering from colic can break into bursts of shrill cries beyond soothing. The best way to deal with colic is to prevent it from happening by burping after every feed. This will help your baby get the air out of his systems and reduce the occurrence of colic during the early months of his life. The third advantage is it helps your baby to sleep well. Even if your baby falls asleep, try burping them for a few minutes before placing them back down to sleep. Otherwise, they wake up by having excessive gas in the abdomen and the pain. The fourth is it prevents regurgitation. Burping a baby decreases the rates of regurgitation or spit up. The fifth advantage is it keeps your baby active and playful. Now imagine how uncomfortable you feel if you are gassy or having gastroesophageal reflux. Then think the light of your little one who can't even put up with the gas inside. Keeping your baby free of excess air has other benefits too. It would make him more playful and active. Your baby would be more tuned to his environment, learn more things to receptive towards your commands and lead a healthy life. This is advantage of burping a baby after feeding and mechanism of burping or technique of burping. Thank you for watching and also for subscribing to this channel.